Going to school. So my son. It's school days. Bye, Madhads. Hafiz. They say hi from France. Hello, Yannick Lyle. From France, shout out. No husband means I'm a single mom. Not married. Single mother. But I have a... Mm-mm.
Sa Blackbird ang sulat ma. Sa Blackbird daw magkopya di man. Dili man magkopya kaya wala may sulat. Wala may chok.
Yeah, single mother. I have my son. My 6 years old son. Thank you, Ryzen. Hindi. Pagani. Sa'yo pagani. Mag-unata. My son said we will take a bath because we're going to school early. Ha?
Mag-una sa kari sila yung late.
Hindi ko mag-una na kidnap. Okay. Yeah. Please watching why, please, hello, no Malone. Ay, no Malone. That's my son. Mac, tulog sa Mac. Hi, Ronnie. Go, go, go.
Mama, punata ba ma? Ay, sila malate. Puna na kita, ay sila malate.
Aray. I like and share your live. Share my page. My page is member 7040. You have page on what? YouTube? Hello, man. Bonsu. Azim Haven Hill. Hi. Philippines. I am from Philippines. Filipina, guys. Ha? Wala pa mo pala ginay pagkuhan ako, charge.
Magunata ba ko?
Wala pa, uy. Hindi na ba?
Magunata kayo sa'yo na. Sa'yo.
Share bed, please, ma'am.
Sa'yo ba?
Dami na ba?
Sa'yo man eh mo.
Hawa di ka nag-live ko. Ikaw, dito na i-kidnap. Ah, you're vlogger too. Okay. What's your content, sir?